Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch. This is the card we're making today. This is another one of the cards that's included in my Bella and Friends Make and Take class packet. Here are the supplies. Thick Whisper White cardstock that measures 8.5 by 5.5. We've got Coastal Cabana that measures 2.25 by 5, and then a scallop circle. The scallop circle is 2 13/16. So that is really close to like 2 3/4. And then we've got the Coastal Cabana Designer Series paper that's in the Brights collection, and this measures 2 by 4 3/4. And then I've got 2 Whisper White circles that measure approximately 2 by 2 11/16. And I've got 2 just in case I mess up. I shouldn't mess up because we're going to be using the Stamparatus today. Okay, let me get the Simply Scored scoring tool. We're just going to fold this, or score this, I should say, at 4 1/4. Then we're going to fold it. Okay, I'm going to take my bone folder. Now, the Designer Series paper is going to get attached to the Coastal Cabana. This is the simplest card of the 4 cards we're making, but I love the simplicity of it, but I think it's just so cute also. And Coastal Cabana is like my most favorite Stampin' Up! Color at the moment. It has been for a while. Okay, now we're just going to add this to the card front. I can hear Elvis upstairs singing. Okay, now let me grab the Stamparatus so that we can stamp Miss Bella. Okay, so here is the Stamparatus. What I did was, this is the circle that I wanted to use, so I traced it on the small grid paper. I'm going to take my magnet, place it there, and then I'm going to slide my image down here. You can see the cupcake and Miss Bella's right there. Sorry about the glare of the lights. My office is in the basement, and so I have to use a lot of lights to get these videos to look good. Okay, so I'm just going to stamp her and the cupcake. And then now I've got the greeting over here on the left side. So again, I'm just going to take the ink pad and voila. Isn't that awesome? Okay, let's give that a second to dry, and I'll put the Stamparatus away. Okay, so let me share with you the markers. We're going to be using Light Smoky Slate, the Color Lifter, Light Daffodil Delight, and you have your choice of, you can either use Pool Party or Light Bermuda Bay. I'm going to use a combination, and I'll show you why in just a minute. Okay, so let's start with Bella. I'm going to use the Light Smoky Slate and just color her. We're going to do this a quick and dirty coloring. I'm laughing because I can hear Elvis upstairs singing. He's trying to get my attention. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. Now, the reason I did that really splotchy look is because a lot of times these dogs have light and dark colors in them. So those little white spots you see, that was completely intentional. And now I'm going to take the Color Lifter and even lift some more color, okay? I'm going to take the Light Daffodil Delight, and I'm going to color the flames of the candle. I'm going to take the Bermuda Bay, whoops, and I'm just going to place some teeny tiny dots on the cupcake. Okay, just like that. Now you could leave the cupcake solid white like that and just use your light or dark Bermuda Bay, or not Bermuda Bay, Pool Party. So I'm going to start with the light color, and I'm going to see if I want to add more color. And I kind of do. So I'm going to turn it over and not turn it over, close it, and I'm going to get the dark. You could color again a second time with the light Bermuda Bay. It does build more color. Okay, I'm going to color the top part with the light because I like those dots, but I want it to have a little bit more color. Let me hold that up and show you. Now, I'm going to take the dark. Hopefully I haven't confused you with my light and dark and light and dark. This is the dark Pool Party, okay? Even though we're using Coastal Cabana, it's okay. But I am going to add a little bit more color to the top of the cupcake. There we go. That's the desired look I want, okay? Last thing is we're going to take the Smoky Slate marker, and I'm just going to draw a line, a squiggle line. It's not perfect. Neither is this one. It's okay. It doesn't have to be. You don't even have to do that line if you don't want to, technically. Okay. Yeah, I could have probably done a better job. But to be honest, I'm not one of those people that is successful at doing that every time. I'm not an artist. I can't even draw a stick figure. My kids can. My husband can. But when they were passing that out, I missed the boat. Oh. Okay, so let's take the back of the dimensionals off. Don't forget, there's a free inspiration sheet over on my website. And what else? Oh, make sure you put, well, it doesn't really matter, but you really want to make sure that you don't get your dimensionals on that edge there. Looks like I almost did. Free PDF on my website. All the details are over there. So here's the original. Here's the one we just made. Stinking cute, right? It's simple, but it's cute. Anyone that gets this card's going to love it. Have a great day. Thank you.